Alpinder with Al and Victoria Cell Homes. Today we came here in Copper Creek to do one of the virtual tour for you, one of our listing in Winterville. And as you see, this is a one-story ranch style single family home. And I wanted to show you first the neighborhood. This house actually located just at the entrance of the cul-de-sacs. And you see there are 5-6 houses in this corner really. And back of this house, as you see, is farm. And it's nothing else. And house of course has fenced backyard, which is amazing. And this is the front yard of the house and the neighborhood. Pretty quiet. And let's, without any further ado, look at this home. And I just wanted to start from the corner. As you see, the fence in this part, and look at this roof. Everything is in good shape. And then let's get into the house and do this virtual tour. Therefore, this is the front patio, very minimal landscaping. And then we get into the house and the foyer. As you see, nice LVP flooring. Has a nice light this here. And this is a really wide area in the foyer that you can organize and put everything on front. And now from the right side, we enter this room. If I can turn on the light here. Yes. Now you can see we have 2 bedrooms. On the right, this is the first bedroom. As you see, it's beautiful, is carpeted, and nice 9-foot ceiling here, and nice queen size bed, and they put the TV on the wall. And this is the closet, as you see. And the window actually facing the front of the house, front yard. Then from here, we're gonna go to the second bedroom. Another bed here, 9-foot ceiling, very clean, no damage, everything is in order. The second bed, and this is the closet, decent sized closet. The first full bathroom, nice vinyl flooring, and this is your single vanity and the toilet and the tub. And this is the tub, as you see. And now coming out, has a nice flow and open concept to living room. And look at this high ceiling, it's really high. I'm guessing it's something between 11 to 12 feet, this ceiling. And there's nice floor. This is the look of the fireplace here. And I just want to go 360 that you look exactly how it look like. The living room. They put really nice furniture, and also behind this furniture, you have this way that directly goes to your kitchen. For all the 4 corners, and here you have your master of the living room. The king size bed is really a spacious. They put the drawers here, and that is the 4 corners of the room. And also the view of the living room from here. And let's Look at the closet. This is the closet, as you see, is very deep closet for the master, with all hangers and the shelves. Then we go to the master. This is your master, very open. It has a tiled shower, walk-in shower and garden tub, and 2 vanity here. And then of course you have also toilet separate with the doors. Coming out of master, we're gonna go to kitchen area. Therefore, this is where you can put your dining table. Has the windows, 2 windows that is facing the backyard, and that's how it's set up. It has a really nice granite countertop, and here we have all the lights, also the lights over the granite countertop, and all appliances, stainless steel appliances, oven, microwave, fridge, and also dishwasher. And here we're gonna go to pantry. As a pantry, you can store foods. You have your laundry room, washer and dryer that goes directly to your garage, and you see that they stored some of the stuff to declutter the house. And that is your water heater in that corner and extra fridge. And then here, back of the kitchen, you have another closet. As you see, closet, and you can come here to the living room. As you see, it's a beautiful, gorgeous home. And last part, I wanted to look at the backyard. This is your back patio, and that is huge fenced backyard. As you see, beautiful fenced backyard. See the farm behind it, it's very quiet. And then the exterior of the house back here, you can see the roof and the exterior of the house. Everything is in good shape and order.